This is the guard security commercial grade maximum security padlock. There's everything that it says it protects against. It doesn't specifically mention pick resistance, so I'm gonna have to give it some merit for that. Let me see if I can get it open, and then I'll take it out and show you that it is the said padlock. And the only reason it's in the vise is because it's just awkward to pick. And yes, my vise is kind of jerry-rigged. Sorry. So that's one in, click on one, click on two, little counter rotation on both, little counter rotation on three, little click out of four, and then okay, I'm sorry, I missed three, little click out of four, little click out of five, went back to three, and it's open on three. There, just so you can see that it is the padlock that I showed you the packaging for. It has spool pins in it. It's a 5-pin core. The block body is hardened steel all the way through. It has the chrome plated bottom, that's all hardened. The shackle is hardened and then chrome plated on top of that for resistance and everything. Got the drain hole. It's a well-made lock, but I really don't see it being maximum security. I mean, we're at 2 minutes, and that's with me talking and getting it open and showing you that it's the said the lock from the packaging. So and I mean, as far as bidding goes, that's not good bidding. So for everything that this lock has going for it, it actually has several things working against it at the same time. It's got the loose core because there's no serrated pins. There's no serrated pins and no standard pins. But I mean, if all you're looking for is something that's cut proof, then I guess it's your lock.